So here it is. It's another day of me working on the property. So right now I'm going to be working on this area right here. This log is going to be one of the logs I wanted to use on the sawmill, but I got to move it right now. So I'm probably going to cut this thing in half. Maybe six. Since it's a 12-foot log, maybe I'll just cut down to 6 feet, roll it out of here. But what's happening right here is my creek, my drainage ditch, or whatever you guys want to call it. I don't care. It's getting bogged up right here. So it's getting bogged up right here because of the falling trees are in the way. That one right there has got a buildup of dirt and debris stopping the water from flowing in the ditch. So when it comes down, it's going all over everywhere else, flooding the rest of the property. So I'm gonna try working on this, getting this all nice and clean, so the water can flow properly. Okay. Yep. Nope. Nope. That fucking sucked.